Alright, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm doing a mukbang. This is Paldo Teumsae cheese Tteokbokki. Now, is this ramen? No. This is rice cake. But you're gonna see this around the ramen, so don't get all funny with me. Don't get all fuddy-duddy, weird and stuff. So this is Tteokbokki, unprepared. As you can see, they're little tubes. These are tubes of wonder. Think of adult beefaroni, but spicy, lavish, luxuriant, and wonderful. The longer you cook them, the better they are. That's the way I see it. This is not food. So we dump these in. They're interesting. They always have like an alcohol scent to them. And then we've got this. This one's definitely packed during shipment. The only thing to do is to crack it open. It's gonna come out, and yeah, it's not gonna be all chunky. That's okay though. That's just mean it's gotten pressure. Because the expiration date on this is, whoops, gotta have all the death spicy in here. What's the expo on this? This one expires June of next year, so take this off for now. And what is it? Fill the line, 3 minutes at 1,000 watts. And you gotta put hot water. And I already had stuff explode in the microwave this week. Not ramen, but oatmeal, so I don't want to have to clean the microwave again. So I'm just going to chance that this is going to work this way with a plate. So 3 minutes. Come on. Miles, you want to push the button? Run, run, run! Come on, Mr. Banana Man, don't drop your banana. Come on, push the button.
It's too
Go ahead. You did it right. I was supposed to set it for 3 minutes, but it looks like I set it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my. So, yeah. And then you sprinkle this cheese stuff on top, and there you go. It's 8:03. I've got to start getting him ready in 45 minutes. By that time, hopefully, I will be done with the violent burning that I'm about to embark on. I have to go over there and do a mukbang. It's funny, people are like, I've never heard of a mukbang, I've heard of a mukbang. It's like, A, E, I, O, U. Mukbang. Gom, dang, mye. I know. I like to say things right. I know a lot of the time I don't, so it's like I definitely want to be able to get the correct enunciation of terms that I'm trying to sound like I know something about. Giving a look at this stuff. No explosions yet. So I'll finish my lovely caffeinated beverage. Alright. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Oh, it's lifting up a little bit. I see the bubbling. It's going up, up, up. Oh, it's really climbing. Bubbling like crazy. Woo! Golly gosh, gee whiz, folks. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know. I think we may be seeing doom here. Wow, it's getting close to the top. Okay, so that was 3 minutes exactly, and it got like as close to the edge as it possibly could have before bubbling over. And that is very soupy tteokbokki. Very soupy. Oh. So now we're gonna put in the cheese sauce. So I've got this extra egg. I'll put it on for the beauty shots, but I ain't gonna eat it. I ain't gonna eat that cheese or the egg. I don't want the extra calories, man. I like eggs, I do, but I'm on a mission of another kind. Wow, and you put that cheese in and it just kind of like eats it. It's just like so soupy. I did not expect that. Okay. So I'm not gonna taste it right now. You'll have to see that in the mukbang. So if you look up cheese Tteokbokki, I'll spell it a bunch of different ways, but if you look in my channel under the Spicy Noodle Mukbang stuff, you'll find it. And if you don't, then wait for the review to come out, because I'll include it with the review. Oh, well, okay. I can do a picture overlay. So here's what it looks like, and I mean, they're like big, thick rice noodle monstrosities that are wonderful and perfect. Somebody was complaining about how you need to like soak them for hours before you cook it up. It's like, I don't know about that. But I will throw egg in with it because I need to do something with this. It won't survive the weekend. And I gotta say, I really do like spring onion. My wife was saying, you know, sometimes you put just too much spring onion on it. Nope. Not for me. Okay, it's 8:09. I think I should put some sesame on there too. Do your stuff, Rotato. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and now I'm gonna do a mukbang. So thanks for watching. It's Friday. It's 8:10. I gotta get this done super fast. So wish me luck. This is gonna be spicy. Have a good one. Bye.